Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a bare LUXE or bare lace unit from Sensationnel, and here it is right here. Her name is Fana, F-A-N-A. She's that Y part unit that they have, and she comes in different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this card off because I'm looking kind of crazy trying to show y'all the card with it still attached to the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you the card right here. Bare lace is known for that lace, just like it says, barely any lace is what it's supposed to give. Here is that card right here, the inside of it. Okay, and that's the type of lace that they are giving compared to other people. And I want you to take a look at that model's head right here when it comes to the lace, the comparison with their lace amongst other lace that's out there, you guys. When I did this review on one of the bare lace units in the past, I really liked the lace. So I'm hoping that this doesn't disappoint me, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you Fana, get her out of the pack. And I have her in the color, I think I have her in Balayage Platinum. Balayage Platinum is what I have, you guys, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take her out the pack. Here she is right here. Well, I guess she's more excited about getting out the pack than me taking her out the pack. So I'm going to let her slide right on out. But here it is right here, you guys. Lace front unit, ear to ear. There she is. Okay? This is what she's looking like, what she's giving. She's giving that platinum, or in these days, salt and pepper look. Nice looking unit. Hair fibers feel really nice. Kind of silky, but not too silky. Inside cap construction. Of course, you will get a wig band in the inside, you guys, which is non-detachable. You will get your combs. I'm trying to get them out of here, you guys. You will get your combs. If I can get them. Okay, here we go. You will get your combs right here. You get one by the part, and you get one farther over near the temple. You get a neck comb, and you get those adjustable straps, you guys. But you also get that silicone grip that is attached to the straps, okay? The adjustable straps. So that's going to help secure the wig, too. It's not going to slide as much, you guys. Well, we're going to go ahead and see if it's not going to slide as much. But there's that Y part right here. That wide Y part. And once again, this is the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and take this bonnet off, and we're going to get busy on this unit. I don't think I'll be cutting the lace off this unit, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck the lace and put this unit on, all right? See you in a minute. As you can very well see, I am done showing you Fana, you guys, and she is beautiful. beautiful. Okay, she is beautiful in my opinion, you guys. I'm really feeling this unit. Bare Lace or Sensational did not disappoint. Okay, did not disappoint at all. I'm gonna go ahead and read some things off the stock card, you guys, so we can talk about this a little bit more. 20% larger grid, 40% thinner lace, shows more skin, dissipates light, stronger reinforced tear resistant lace fiber. You guys, this is a beautiful unit. They did not disappoint. I'm liking this unit, you guys. Y part Fana, F-A-N-A. Go look her up, you guys. And this platinum is bomb, okay? It is bomb. I'm feeling this platinum color on this unit, okay? Now, it says that the hairline view is thinner, lighter lace for a more transparent melting on the skin. So it's supposed to be more transparent to melt on the skin. It's cap view, breathable mesh cap with wig band and silicone lining for secure glueless installs. Wide pre-plucked lace area with 5-inch deep parting space. Clean hairline with baby hairs for natural look. That's what you get with this bare lace unit, you guys. And here are more colors on the back of the stock card. If you're interested right here, if you can see that, you guys. If not, please go online to a store of your choosing or of your choice and find this unit if you are interested. And let me tell you, honey, she's not disappointed. Some prices that I found online for Miss Fana. Fana White Part Bare Lace Glueless Lace Wig by Sensational at Joe's Beauty, whoever that is $32.99. I'm not disrespecting anybody about the names or nothing like that. It's just that I've never dealt with Joe's Beauty. That's all. Ebony Line has her for $34.99. Sam's Beauty has her for $29.99. And So Good BB has her for $27.59 using their discount code. Hair So Fly has her for $34.99. Okay. And that is, well, Ego Wigs has her for $27.59. And eBay has her for $40.03. So yeah, Poshmark has her for $35. Even Poshmark is selling, okay, baby? So, you know, you do what you do with that. Not knocking Poshmark. Everybody has their hustle, honey. Go ahead and get your hustle on. But anyway, those right there are the prices that I found online. And once again, I think So Good BB, the one that had her for $27.59, and has a discount code in blue written down there. So that I don't know if that includes the discount code or not, but they have her the cheapest so far. Wait, hold on, because Ego Wigs also has her for $27.59 using their discount code. So those are the two. Ego Wigs and So Good BB are the two that I'm currently seeing this wig sold for at the cheapest price, which is $27.59. Do I think she's worth $27.59? Yes. Do I think she's worth 30-something bucks? Yes. Okay. I do think she is worth it, honey. I think the texture on this unit is nice. It's not too silky. It's not, you know, to where it's snagging on anything. Not that I have, you know, a lot to snag on, but my earrings and my jewelry. But it's really not snagging, okay? It's not. And the fibers on it are really, really nice and flowy. I'm liking the curls. I'm liking the waves. I really like this unit. I like the color of this unit too as well. Okay, Sensational did an outstanding job once again on this bare lace or in this bare lace collection. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much, you guys, and I appreciate each and every last one of you as always. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll know where to upload the next time here at Necessary Sensations. For all those who out there watching, you guys, I appreciate you once again. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share.